Ma'am and sir, my name is Heidi Balanag, 38 years old from Pangasinan, Philippines. I am single, not married, and no children. I work in Hong Kong for 11 months, and I do house cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, and cooking. I work also in Malaysia for 3 years, and I took care of one elderly and two children. The ages of two children are 5 and 7. I tutored the children also. My work in Malaysia are house cleaning, cooking, washing and ironing clothes. I choose to work in Hong Kong because the salary is higher and I can save money for myself and at the same time help my family also. Thank you for choosing me, Ma'am and Sir. Have a nice day.